All right, now let's take a look at the shortcuts for a Mac keyboard. So here we are on line 9 and my cursor is right at the beginning of the line. If you want to move the cursor to the end of the line, instead of using the right arrow to go all the way, simply hold down the function key and press right. Here it is. Or you can press function and left to jump to the beginning of the line. Similarly, you can press function and up to go to the top of the file, or function and down to jump to the end of the file. Pretty useful. Now let's say you want to move this line up. Instead of cutting it from here and then copying it somewhere else, you can simply move it up by holding down Alt or Option and then pressing the up arrow or down. Very easy. Or we can select these two lines, hold down the Alt or Option key, move it up or down. Here's another useful shortcut. We can convert these two lines into a comment by pressing Command and slash, and then we can remove the comment using the same shortcut. So we can toggle it. And finally, if you want to type the name of a variable or a function like multiply, you don't have to type all the letters like multiply. That is very slow. You can type the first few letters like mult, and here in the IntelliSense, you can see it's selected, so press enter. Or you can pick any characters in sequence and type them, like MTY, here it is, or we can type MPY or MTP, so you can abbreviate it any way you want. I hope you enjoyed these shortcuts, and thank you for watching.